guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson. I am here to talk to y'all for a minute about getting items to sell gift baskets. The main thing is tables, okay? In regards if you have a tent or not, the main thing you will need is tables. If you do not have the money to get tables, I am here to tell you, please don't give up. Don't be like, no, I can't go out and sell gift baskets. I don't have the tables, because I have a solution for you. You can go and ask people from your church if they will let you borrow a couple of tables so you can sell gift baskets. And people are so kind-hearted, you guys. There are so many kind-hearted people. They will let you use their tables as long as you return them. Now, if you need transportation, that's a whole nother ball game. But I am here to give you a solution for that for dirt cheap. Now, yes, you can go and rent a U-Haul. But of course you have to charge not just to use it, but for mileage and gas and all that good stuff. However, you can also go to Home Depot and rent a truck from them. Okay, so if you need transportation to get your tables, let's say you got some tables from the church, they said, okay, come on, you can use some tables. Just make sure, you come pick them up and return them. You can go to Home Depot, and it's $25 for, I think, for an hour. But make sure you call where you're located. It might be different, but make sure you go check them out. Okay. Also, you can go to Walmart and get tables. They got 4-foot. Don't ask me the prices, you guys, but I'm just letting you know that's the next step. Of course, you got, is go head to Walmart, and they got decent tables. Yeah. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. And yeah. Oh, and also, me speaking about kind-hearted people, I just wanted to share with these. I didn't even pay attention. It had Christmas trees on here, you guys. I just was going to pick up one. And the man, he scanned it. It was $6 and something. And he was like, wait, Christmas is 90% off. So he said he was just going to charge me 62 cents. 62 cents. That's what it was. 62 cents. I went back and got a whole bunch of these, you guys. A whole bunch of them. God is so, man, I wasn't even, I'm just letting y'all know there's kind-hearted people out there. Kind-hearted people out there. I love kind-hearted people. And yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know. And with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.